Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Morning. We can start the revision today. Today we will do grammar revision, and on Monday you come prepared with 2 chapters. Reach for the top. Uh, Reach for the top, and the poem trees. I will ask oral questions. Is it clear to all of you? Oral test.
Reach for the top and
On Monday, reach for the top. Reach for the top. You have 2 chapters. One is Santosh Yadav, and one is Maria Sharapova. Reach for the top. The chapter about 2 successful women who were extremely successful in their career. Hmm. So reach for the top and trees. And all of you will come prepared. You will be asked oral questions. Okay. I'll send the homework in the group also. Okay. So, can start. The lion was killed, dash the hunter, dash a sword. What is the correct answer? Who will answer? Ananya Singh 9G. Ananya, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
The lion was killed, dash the hunter, dash a sword. Options are given.
The lion was killed by the hunter
Hmm.
in the swamp.
Yes, correct answer. The lion was killed by the hunter with a sword. Okay. Then Anukul.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes, ma'am.
answer this one. Father divided his property dash 4 sons between among of in. Four options.
Among, ma'am, among.
Yes, Anukul, your answer is correct. Among. Between is used for 2 persons. अगर 2 son रहता, father divided his property between his 2 sons. More than 2 you use among. Okay. He has been living in this house for since in on. Who'll answer? Shreyasi?
Ma'am, since.
Shreyasi, can you hear me? Ayush Kumar 9G. Ayush Kumar 9G. Ayush Kumar 9G, can you hear me? Ayush Kumar?
Ma'am, may I?
can I?
May I answer?
Oh, Advit, okay. Advit, you answer. Anupam
Ma'am,
just now. Advit? Since, yes. He has been living in this house since 1985. So you use since for a point of time, and you use for यूज होता है पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए। जैसे कि कोई ईयर दिया हुआ है, अगर कोई मंथ भी रहता है जैसे मार्च, तो सिंस मार्च। if day of the week is given since Monday, then time of the day is given since morning. So for these you use since because it is point of time. And for duration or period you use for, जैसे कि for 2 months, for 2 years, for 3 days. So since and for. Since is used for point. I shall return dash a month.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Yes, Vijaya, you answer. Vijaya?
I shall return in a month.
Yes, I shall return in a month. Yes, Vijaya, your answer is correct. The Ramayana is lying dash the table. Who'll answer? Wait.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Okay.
Can I?
Aditya, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya, answer.
Ma'am.
The Ramayana is lying dash the table.
Ma'am, on.
Yes, on. So for those of you who have joined late, you are going to have an oral test on Monday. Reach for the top and the poem trees, 2 chapters and 1 poem. And all of you will be asked question one by one. So reach for the top and the poem trees. Reach for the top, you have 2 chapters, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova, and the poem trees. You just revise.
We shall finish this work by 5 p.m. today.
5 p.m.
Yes, by 5. मतलब 5 बजे तक. By 5 p.m. means what? 5 बजे तक. Answers are visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send me the letters. Dash this address.
On this address.
On
this
this address.
On this address. Send me the letters on this address. Okay, you should listen dash what your parents say.
2. You should listen to
Akshay Kumar
what-
Naini. Akshay Kumar Naini, can you hear me? Akshay Kumar Naini. Akshay. Who is? So many Aditya Raj. Aprajita. Aprajita 9B. Aprajita, can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am.
me? So Aprajita, you answer this 8th one. You should listen dash what your parents say. 4 options are given. Among, in, to, between. Aprajita?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I-
Think again. You should listen in what your parents say. लग रहा है सुनने में सही.
Can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Bhavya, okay. Bhavya hasn't answered today. Bhavya, you answer. You should listen.
Ma'am, too.
Yes.
You should listen
to.
to what your parents say.
Yes, Bhavya, answer is correct. You should listen to what your parents say. Okay, Nirbhay, you
Cheetah
answer
writes
the
with
next
wings.
one.
Ma'am, can I?
Cheetah writes with
Okay,
wings.
Pragya, you'll get the chance in next one. Sita writes. Nirbhay?
With ink.
With.
With ink, yes. Sita writes with ink. He did not listen dash my advice. Pragya?
Can I answer, ma'am?
Ma'am, too.
Ma'am, too.
इन इंक है गलत. मुझे भी थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था इसमें.
Ma'am, 2.
इन इंक होगा। इसमें 2 10। So, she writes in ink. Prepositions sometimes are very confusing. Okay. Then Mahesh has sent the application dash the principal by to for in. Who will answer? Wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Point out.
Ma'am, can
Can I?
Aditya, Pragya, you have already answered. Avinash Kumar. Avinash. Okay, Dhruv, answer. Dhruv.
To the principal.
To the principal. Yes, send to the principal. I am aware dash my shortcomings. Shortcomings मतलब कमियां. Oh,
Of.
Of.
yes, I am aware of my shortcomings. I am aware of my shortcomings. He divided his property dash his 2 sons.
Between.
Between. Between, ma'am.
Supriya,
Ma'am, between.
Supriya,
Ma'am, between होगा.
Supriya, can you answer? Supriya,
Ma'am, of.
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya,
Yes, ma'am. Between.
yes, between. क्या अभी तो बताए. Just now I told you.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
two
अभी तो
persons,
बताइए.
between. More than 2, then among. Here only 2 sons. So only 2 persons are there. For 2 persons, you use between. Like he divided the cake between the 2 friends. He distributed the cake among the students. So
Can
here
you
only
hear me,
2
ma'am?
sons. Okay. Dhruv, you want to answer?
Yes, I want to answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruv, answer.
Ma'am,
Oh.
2. Ma'am, off.
Afraid of lions. Yes, afraid of lions.
मैम, मेरी
Now-
आवाज आ रही है? हेलो
अनुज, क्या हुआ? अपना
मैम,
कनेक्शन.
उतना देर से आपको पूछ रहे हैं, क्या आप आंसर दे सकते हैं, क्या आप आंसर दे सकते हैं, आप हमको मौका क्यों नहीं दे रही?
तो यू गॉट चांस ना अनुज.
आप हमको कभी बोली ही नहीं, हम हर बात खुद ही चिल्ला रहे हैं।
नहीं बोल रहा था. अच्छा ठीक है, तुम ये
Rain
आंसर
falls
करो.
like-
5th वाला आंसर करो.
Sometimes happen, Anuj.
अनुज शरण. Dogs always bark dash strangers. Anuj, you answer. Anuj. देखो, now I'm telling you, you aren't answering.
Ma'am, leave him.
Ma'am, may I?
Anuj, okay,
Ma'am, may
Avinash,
I?
you answer.
May I?
Ma'am, 2.
Dog always bark to strangers. लग रहा है सुनने में सही. Dogs.
Ma'am, may
At
I?
strangers.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
ma'am.
answer? Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
answer?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Supriya.
answer that.
Ma'am,
Nirbhay.
at.
At, okay. The river flows dash the bridge. Nirbhay, you want to answer? Nirbhay, you want to answer? Who wants to answer?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
River flows dash the bridge in through to by. What is the correct answer?
Throw the bridge.
Through the bridge, yes.
Ma'am,
By.
2 होगा.
Ma'am, through the.
Through the bridge. Through the bridge. I have a pen to write with, in, to, by. I have a pen to write.
Ma'am, may I?
Who wants to answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
me.
may I?
Okay.
May I, ma'am?
Anuj Sharan.
Ma'am, मैं do.
अनुज शरण को बहुत शिकायत थी. अनुज, so now he is unable. He's not getting my voice. Of connection problem.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
me.
he left the
Left the class.
Ma'am, me.
Left.
he left the
Ma'am,
Okay.
Dhruv.
Dhruv, you answer.
Ma'am, with.
With. देखो कभी कभी प्रपोजिशन एंड में भी यूज होता है. आई हैव अ पेन टू राइट विथ. समटाइम्स प्रपोज. Okay, what is the time? Dash your watch.
Buy your watch. Buy your watch.
Yes, by your
By
In
your
watch. See, this is also
Ma'am,
very confusing. कभी कभी लगता है कि in your watch होगा. अगर translate करें उसको हिंदी, yes, but you have to remember what is the time. By your watch is correct. Food was rationed. Dash the war.
During.
ma'am, during.
Bhavya, what is the
During.
correct answer? Bhavya.
During.
Okay, yes. During. Food was rationed during the war. War के दौरान. During means period. Mahesh is knocking in at on with. Aman. Aman plus 90. Aman Prasad Chaudhary.
मैम at the door.
Knocking, हाँ, at होगा. Yes, Aman, your answer is
Ma'am.
correct. Mahesh is knocking at the door. Mahesh is knocking at the door. ये शायद हम लोग Okay, this is a fill in the blanks. Again, you have to choose the right option. That was only preposition. This is, you have to choose any four. Among the 4 words, you have to choose any one. Everyone dash born as one single individual. Is, was,
Ma'am,
are, were.
Was.
Is. Ma'am, everybody
Ma'am
is.
is.
Is. Everybody is born as
Ma'am,
one
was.
is born. Everybody is born as one single individual, but by the time he is mature enough for to on at.
Two.
Ma'am to.
Yeah,
Participate.
mature enough to participate in life. Everybody is born as a single individual, but by the time he is mature enough to participate in life, he has become a crowd. This is almost the case. Dash everybody for, on, off, with. This is almost the case.
Ma'am for.
Ma'am, for.
For नहीं.
For ma'am for.
नहीं,
Ma'am, off.
with.
Off.
This is the case with everybody. सबके साथ ऐसा होता है. This is the case with everybody. With his most. Become aware of it, them, these, those.
These.
Everybody is born. First, let us find out कि वो refer किसको करता है. वो singular है कि plural. Everybody is born as one, but by the time he is mature, has become a part. This is almost the case with everybody. Becoming the part of the crowd. Become aware of it होगा.
Ma'am, them.
नहीं, it.
Ma'am?
It.
Yes, ma'am.
Become aware of it. Become aware of it, yes. If you just sit silently and listen to your mind, you
Will find.
Will find.
found.
Ma'am, will find.
Yes, Dhruv, your answer is correct. Will find. You will find so many voices. You will find so many voices. Okay. So this is error correction. Every line there is one mistake. You have to correct the mistake. After all, a sculptor's labor had came. So first one is done. Had के साथ तो V3 यूज होता है और came जो है वो V2 है. Come, came. Again V3 is again come. So first one is already done with had. You have to use the V3. After all a sculptor's labor had come to an end, he sat back, wiped to an end. Who will answer?
Ma'am,
Wait.
N
Ma'am,
instead of
and
A.
instead of A.
Vowel sound से शुरू हुआ है. N. End is the word which has the vowel sound in it. So, to an
Ma'am,
end.
and.
Is the correct. Is the incorrect word, and the correct word is an end.
An is correct.
And yes, and because end begins with a vowel pronunciation. But you have to remember there are some words which you get confused, जैसे यूरोपियन. यूरोपियन के पहले क्या लगता है? ए या एन?
A.
ए लगता
Ma'am,
है
A.
क्योंकि वो वाई के प्रोनाउंसिएशन से शुरू हुआ. वैसे ही अ यूरोपियन, देन वन के पहले क्या लगता है? Before one also, like one-eyed person. If you have one-eyed person,
A.
and you have so A only.
Ma'am, A.
So you have to remember some words. University. University.
A.
A.
Unique.
A.
इस सब के पहले
A.
हाँ, in
A.
before these words you use why? Because it begins with the pronunciation of consonant sound Y. भले ही वर्ड है तो जब हम ए और एन लगाते हैं तो हमें वर्ड नहीं देखना है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखना है. जैसे MLA. If you have MLA, so what will you use?
An MLA.
An MLA, because
Ma'am, an होगा.
ये जो है M जो है म के प्रोनाउंसिएशन से शुरू नहीं हो रहा है. MLA जो है वो A के प्रोनाउंसिएशन से शुरू हो रहा है. तो and, so you have to remember whenever you are using A or an, you have to see the pronunciation and not the word, not the vowel word, but the vowel pronunciation. Okay, he sat back. So this we have done. He sat back, wiped the perspiration. You know the meaning of perspiration?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is perspiration?
Ma'am, sweat.
Yes, very good. Sweating. Perspiration matlab pasina, sweat. So sat back, wiped the perspiration off his face and surveyed his handiwork. So what is the mistake?
Ma'am, from instead of off.
Pragya, you have spotted the error, but more than from, which word will be suitable?
Ma'am, off.
Ma'am,
नहीं,
Ma'am,
with
O
great
double F.
satisfaction.
नहीं, वो तो with this one
With.
Nirbhay, your answer is correct, with great satisfaction. But first we will find out this
Hard
one.
work. Hard work. Hard work, not handiwork.
No, this line you have with great satisfaction, his handiwork. Handiwork also means that work done by hand, but in this sentence, wipe the perspiration on his face.
Ma'am, O double F, off.
Ma'am, off now. O double F, off his face.
Off his. He sat back, wiped the perspiration off his face. Wiped the perspiration on his face. Off भी हो सकता है और on भी हो सकता है. चेहरे पर जो पसीना था. So sometimes you may have some blanks in which more than one word may be suitable. So off his face, he wiped the perspiration on his face. On bhi ho hi sakta. As he looking on, he was overwhelmed by the image. As he looking on.
Ma'am, looked instead of looking.
Ma'am, looked.
Yes, as he looked on. Looking is the error and the correct word is look. Okay. Okay, then we'll move to our second passage. According to tradition, Gautam Buddha sit in meditation?
Ma'am, sit,
Sit is the
sit,
error and sat. First one is already done because this is an event which has already happened. हाँ, ये घटना पुरानी घटना है तो past tense यूज करना है. तो sit is the wrong word. Correct word is sat. According to tradition, Gautam Buddha sat in meditation in the Bo tree. बोधि होना चाहिए शायद.
Under the under
under,
Under.
under the
अंडर द बोधि ट्री. पेड़ में तो नहीं बैठ सकता, वो पेड़ के नीचे ही बैठ सकते हैं. सो अंडर द बोधि ट्री. इन मीन्स में. Unfortunately, an original tree has
ma'am,
disappeared.
the original tree.
the original tree.
Ma'am, the original tree.
Yes, Avinash, your answer is correct. The original tree. An is the wrong word. The original tree has disappeared and is replaced by
Replaced.
Replaced.
Okay. आपको देखते हैं कौन. Ajay Kumar, who is this? Has anyone joined with parents' name? Ajay, I don't remember anyone's name. Who will answer?
Ma'am,
Ananya?
replaced.
Ananya is replaced. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
error in this line? Fourth line. Many of the students answered in chorus, but I want the final answer from you. Maybe their answer was correct, but you finally answer. What is the?
Ma'am, was and was replaced.
तो दो वर्ड हमको चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. एक ही वर्ड चेंज करना. You have to change only
Ma'am,
one word.
replaced.
Replaced.
Ma'am.
Yes. Correct. Replaced is replace जो है present passive है. This is present passive. Is replaced through a successor, the people tree.
By the successor.
Ma'am,
By-
by a successor.
By a successor. Through is, this is the question asked in the board examination of 2017. Yeah, all India ये 2017 का board का question है. Let me see if there is some omission exercise. Okay. So you can do this one. Your voice has remained very subdued. इसमें कुछ गलत सा लग रहा. Wait. Okay, wait, we'll do some fill in the blank. Okay, you can do this one. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well, go at 2 in on. Go."
Ma'am, at.
At.
Go at, go to तो नहीं होगा. Go into the end of the lane. Go at,
Go in.
Go into the end of. Go at to the end. At to the end is not sounding
at-
correct. Go at to the end, not sounding correct. To to
Ma'am,
नहीं, go
into the.
into the end. Go on to the end. Go on. On is more suitable. Go on to the end of the lane. Means keep on going to the end of the lane. Okay. Next one. And turn around for from below. What is the
around.
Around.
Ma'am, around.
and turn around. Turn around 3 times. Turn around 3 times and look down the magic well. There you found, have
Find.
found, find.
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 Found.
फिर से एक बार चारों
Will
ऑप्शन
find.
पढ़ो. Found, find, found,
Ma'am, will
have
find.
found, will
Ma'am, will
find.
find होगा क्योंकि फ्यूचर में. Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am, will
will
find.
find. There you will find. There you will find 3 pennies. Hurry on up at in.
Ma'am,
Up.
on.
Up.
Ma'am,
Up.
on.
Hurry up.
हरी अप बोलते हैं ना, कुछ जल्दी करने के लिए किसी को, तो हरी अप. तो हरी अप इज कॉमन. हरी अप. सो रोजर skunk went up to the end of the lane and has turned.
Turn.
Ma'am,
Turns.
Ma'am, turns. Ma'am,
Turn.
turns.
Third
एक
option.
आंसर करो.
Ma'am,
Third
second.
option.
Ma'am,
Third
second.
option.
Ma'am, third option.
Yes.
Third
Ma'am,
option.
third.
Third option.
Third option.
And turned around.
Yes, ma'am.
टर्न्स नहीं होगा क्योंकि पैसेज जो है वो पास्ट टेंस में है. बीते हुए घटना को ये नरेट कर रहा. हाँ, इट इज नरेटिंग एन इंसिडेंट of a past. So okay, then this second one, fourth. I won't make my face change. Do you know one day a woman went at, on, by, for?
Ma'am, at.
Ma'am,
For.
by.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
for.
at.
Ma'am, at.
Ma'am, by.
Ma'am, for.
No,
Went
Pragya's
for me.
answer is correct. Woman went by me. मतलब कि मेरे बगल से वो गुजरी. Do you know one day a woman went by me? Means passed by me. It won't make my face change. Do you know one day a woman went by me? I was dash the bus stop. On, in, for, at.
Ma'am,
At the bus stop.
At a bus stop. छोटे जगह के लिए at use करते हैं ना. I told you when we were doing prepositions. For small places you use at. For big places you use in. So at is a
In.
small place. At a bus stop, and she was dash another
With
woman.
another.
With.
With another woman.
She was with
Ma'am, with
another
another
woman. With,
woman.
हाँ, this is very easy. She was with another woman and she looks, looked, has looked, starts looking.
She
Looked.
looked at me.
She looks.
Looked.
Ma'am, she looks होगा.
Ma'am,
Looked
second
होगा.
option.
Past.
पास्ट टेंस में
Ma'am, look.
ये पैसेज जो है वो पास्ट टेंस में
Ma'am, she looked.
वेंट है ना, पास्ट टेंस में है पैसेज, तो लुक्ड होगा ना. लुक्ड होगा. Looked at me and said, look dash that is a terrible thing.
At.
Look at.
On that.
Look at that.
Look on that.
Look at that.
Ma'am, at.
हाँ,
Ma'am, at.
at ही होगा. Yes, look at that. Look at that. That is a terrible thing. So again, I'm repeating for those of you who have joined late. On Monday, you come prepared with 2 chapters. Reach for the top. Maria Sharapova and Santosh Yadav and the poem Trees. We can have an oral revision. So too much discipline can become inhibitive. For, at, on, to. Inhibitive. Too much discipline. Yes, two. To the point that creative energy didn't, doesn't, won't, ain't.
Want.
Not won't. Not won't. Any other word that is
Doesn't.
more suitable?
Ma'am, doesn't.
Yes,
Ma'am,
doesn't.
doesn't.
Too much discipline. What happens if there is too much discipline? The creativity is stopped. Doesn't find any outlet. Too much discipline can become inhibitive to the point that creative energy doesn't find any outlet. It cannot deny, denied, be denied, be denying.
Be denied.
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
denied.
Yes, it
Be-
cannot be denied. Cannot be denied that discipline is of utmost importance. Dash school. In, for, from, of. Who will answer? Wait.
In.
In.
Aman, you answer. Some of them are not answering at all. Aman, class 9B.
Yes, sir.
Answer karo. Too much discipline is of utmost import. That discipline is of utmost importance. Dash school. In, for, from, of. Discipline
In
is of
school.
utmost. In school. Yes, correct. In. फिर अब कौन आंसर करेगा? अपराजिता, you answer the last one. Unfortunately, discipline enforced blindly often does, doing, is doing. Aprajita? Vijay Roy? Vijay is there? Vijay Roy? Left the class. Okay, anyone answer? Time be.
Ma'am, does.
Does.
Ma'am, does होगा.
Does hoga. Yes, Dhruv, your answer is correct. Pragya also gave the correct answer. So, Monday you come prepared for revision. And all of you should answer, not just few students, because I will point out everyone's name one by one. There is no escape. So, come prepared. I'm ending the class today. Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, go have your
Bye, ma'am.
breakfast.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Breakfast कर लिया तुम लोगों ने?
Yeah, ma'am.
जो
Yes,
लोग
ma'am.
नहीं किए हो जाके कर लो. अभी
No, ma'am.
नहीं, अविनाश नहीं खाया है अभी तक कुछ. Okay.
अभी तक तो ब्रश भी नहीं किया हूँ.
वाह, very nice. Why निर्भय?
मैं सब कुछ नहा कर भी बैठा हूँ.
वाह, ध्रुव तो एकदम एक्टिव लिए हैं. अच्छी बात है.
ऑस्कर तो से.
मैम वो मम्मी जबरदस्ती उठा के बोलती है कि दौड़ने जाओ, वहां से ही अपने आप हो जाता है आदत.
अच्छा बात है. Because discipline is one thing which has suffered the most because of this lockdown. Life का discipline खत्म हो गया होगा ना. स्कूल रहता था तो एकदम भागा दौड़ी, टाइम पे उठना, टाइम पे ब्रेकफास्ट. अभी वो सब खत्म हो गया. तो normally you have to bring back your life to track once again.